Hey guys, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're well, that you're striving to be the best you can be, and that you're enjoying life along the way. Today, I just have a quick plant haul for you. Picked up several plants since my recent plant tour, and I just wanted to share that, okay? If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share, and if you're not already doing so, please subscribe. I don't know what you're doing, I don't know what you're waiting for, but just get it done. Click on that subscribe button, guys. Once again, if you enjoy my videos, give it a big thumbs up, okay? And I hope you enjoy this one, all right? Here's my recent purchase, Dracaena marginata. Picked it up from IKEA. And this baby was parched when I picked it up. Had some yellowing leaves. When I brought it home, just gave it a good drench. And she is doing well, looking good. It's nice and full. That's my latest beauty. Next up is my ZZ hiding over here. I've always wanted a ZZ. It's actually on my wish list. I finally have it. I also have the Raven, the ZZ Raven on my wish list, so I should be acquiring one of those soon, I hope. But it's a beauty. Love it. This is another one that I purchased from IKEA. It's formerly Sansevieria cylindrica. Such a statement piece. I love it. It's beautiful. Look at the variegation on it. Very nice. So picked it up from IKEA. I believe it was about $12, $12 to $15. And then y'all remember Monty. There's Monty's new leaf. Monty's not new. You guys saw it in my last plant tour. Okay, so these two are new. Next one up is this beautiful Sansevieria. Okay, I guess trifasciata. I need to look that one up. I'll make sure I write it down and on the screen somewhere. But I picked this one up from IKEA as well, along with the cylindrica. And this one is also a beauty. It's a full pot. It is a philodendron shangri-la. It caught my eyes. Look at the leaf, guys. That's a beautiful leaf. The shape. Okay. Very nice. Picked this one up from Home Depot not too long ago. And this one was about $8, $9. That's a beautiful addition to my collection. And I keep moving my plants around, guys. As you've noticed, this is not what it looked like in my plant tour recently. You guys are familiar with my yucca cane. I've moved it over here into the living room by the TV, and he's not getting bothered as much by my son in this location. We'll see how it goes though. He goes near it once in a while, tries to play in the soil, but I'm not too worried about this one. All right, now these four I just picked up from IKEA. Okay, I just have it laid out here so that you can see them. But these are Pothos. These two are the golden Pothos, and these two over here are the marble queen. Okay, and they're beautiful. Look at this. Yellow is so prominent, guys. So nice. These are the marble queen. Look at that. Like a painting. And they're growing their vines. So these ones I bought purposely to hang. And I'm actually planning on hanging them right over here on this wall. So I'm planning to have them maybe hanging a couple on this side and a couple on that side right there. I'm actually hoping to DIY a mirror to go in this section right there. But that's what I have planned for them, guys. Beautiful. So these are my new plant babies, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Right, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right now I'm mostly doing the plant thing, but as I keep mentioning, I have some makeovers and some room revamps I have to do. They're just taking a little longer to get to at this point, but they'll happen sooner rather than later, actually. All right, guys, have a good day.